Hi, I'm Lucas.
Hi, I'm Marco. We are the owners of Smart Move Incorporated. Here at Smart Move, we make integrated systems.
During our 15 years of combined experience in the food industry, we've been listening to our customers. Our design philosophy here at the company is to make things as simple as possible while still performing their necessary functions. At Smart Move, we focus on getting the job done with as few parts as possible. We do this through part integration of putting multiple features into a given single component. So that allows this one simple part to provide multiple functions. This is the belt guide for the conveyor belt as it runs up the system. It is also a product containment guide, so it acts as a tall side. All this being done with one piece through the conveyor design eliminates additional parts that are typically required for conveyor sides that are high. Traditionally on a conveyor, the in-feed hoppers are either made so that they can be removed or that they are fixed, but seldom can they actually be cleaned properly because either the gaps from bolting are too small or they're very large and cumbersome to be removed. Through this design, we're able to give you a completely cleanable hopper without the necessity of any tools for cleaning.
Another feature of our design that is traditionally done with multiple components are drip pens. We try to simplify this by using a design that utilizes only two unique components, which is the drip pen that is formed and flexible and easy to remove.
Also with this design for the drip pans, these drip pans can be retrofitted to a system. If there's a specific conveyor that was determined that was going to be a walk under, or you wanted to be able to contain product, these can be added to the conveyors after they've already been installed, simply through a retrofit package of shipping out the drip pans and drilling a few holes in your conveyor lips.
There's many different belt scraper design in the industry. Some of them are fixed, some other ones allow you to remove the whole system, which is usually heavy, and depending on where the conveyor is located, it could fall and be dangerous. Our design instead has a removable scraper that is very easy to install and remove. This allows you to clean the whole conveyor and scraper, and it also is weighted, applies a constant pressure on the belt without causing any stresses that reduce belt life.
Following again with our design philosophy is our belt lift assembly. It's a very simple assembly that is comprised of just a few components, and it is also able to be added into almost any location on the conveyor. This is another one of our components that can be retrofitted to an existing installation if the customer decides that they want to add these after they've already installed their system from us.
One of the features that we adapted to maximize food safety is the reduction of the use of snap rings. Snap rings are difficult to clean, and they are extra parts that they can rust and cause bacteria contamination. This design, we're able to install and remove all of the shafts and all of the return roller assemblies without the use of any snap rings. This design also allows us to install and remove the shafts very easily when the belt is in place.
A portion of our snap ring minimization in our designs is on the discharge and idler shafts of our conveyors. These are also contained in a similar fashion to the return rollers, and they can be removed without tools and installed without tools as well. Through the use of lock pins and casters, we're able to easily break apart this entire system. This conveyor is actually feeding over top of another conveyor, but there's a dicer that discharges directly on top of it. So in order to access the knives that are in the dicer, you simply pull a pin and roll the conveyor out, which gives you direct access to the dicer itself. The dicer itself is also on casters, so it can be rolled away from the operator platform which then gives you access to maintain all the other equipment on the system. The operator platform is also on casters, and if we come around to the other side, we'll see that the entire system, integrated system, is keyed to these pins that are in the floor. So this is what determines the location of all the rest of the pieces of equipment.
If you want to know more about SmartMove and what we can do for you, visit our website in the link below and stay tuned for more videos.